LiquidPlanner is a project management tool designed to help teams manage complex projects, but is it the right choice for you? Here are 12 things you need to know before making your decision. First, LiquidPlanner's strength lies in its predictive scheduling. It doesn't just track time, but uses algorithms to adjust project timelines based on real-time data, unlike traditional tools like Trello or Asana, which require manual updates for task shifts. Next thing, LiquidPlanner offers a unique priority-based system. It allows you to set priorities for tasks, ensuring your team works on the most critical items first. Competitors like Monday.com have similar features, but lack the advanced level of automation that LiquidPlanner offers in terms of managing workload and adjusting deadlines automatically. The third thing is its flexibility. LiquidPlanner can handle a wide range of project types, from simple tasks to complex, multi-step initiatives. This is a huge advantage over tools like Basecamp, which tends to be more limited in its ability to scale with more intricate projects. Moving on, LiquidPlanner is excellent for collaboration. It allows teams to work together seamlessly, share files, and track progress in real time. While tools like Wrike offer collaboration, LiquidPlanner's predictive scheduling adds an extra layer of efficiency for teams working on tight deadlines. The fifth thing you need to know is that LiquidPlanner offers detailed reporting and analytics. This is a big deal if you need to track performance over time. It provides insights into team productivity and project bottlenecks, which makes it superior to tools like Smartsheet that have more limited reporting capabilities. Next thing, LiquidPlanner can be a bit complex for new users. Its interface might seem overwhelming at first, especially if you're used to simpler tools like Todoist or Microsoft Planner. However, once you get the hang of it, the learning curve is worth it for the added functionality. The seventh thing is the integration options. LiquidPlanner integrates with a wide variety of third-party tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Google Workspace. While it's comparable to competitors like ClickUp in terms of integrations, LiquidPlanner does offer a deeper level of customization for connecting with your existing software stack. Moving to the eighth point, pricing. LiquidPlanner isn't the cheapest option on the market. If you're just managing simple tasks, you might find Trello or Asana more budget-friendly. But for larger teams with more complex needs, LiquidPlanner's pricing could be justified due to its advanced features and automations. The ninth thing to note is its customer support. LiquidPlanner offers a variety of support options, including phone and chat support, as well as a comprehensive knowledge base. While competitors like Asana and Monday.com have solid customer service, LiquidPlanner's personalized approach for larger teams is a significant advantage. Next thing, scalability. LiquidPlanner is a great choice for medium to large teams, particularly those that need to manage multiple projects simultaneously. It works well for teams with complex workflows, which gives it an edge over tools like Wrike, which might be better suited for smaller teams or less complicated projects. The 11th thing is its time tracking feature. LiquidPlanner allows teams to track time spent on tasks, which is useful for billing clients or assessing project timelines. While tools like Harvest excel in time tracking alone, LiquidPlanner provides an all-in-one solution with predictive scheduling and time tracking. Finally, the last thing to know is LiquidPlanner's mobile app. It allows you to manage projects on the go, but its app experience can be less fluid than that of competitors like ClickUp or Trello, which have more polished mobile platforms. In conclusion, LiquidPlanner is a solid choice for teams needing robust project management features, particularly for complex projects. However, if you're looking for something simpler and more cost-effective, or want a better overall solution, check out our recommended tool that you can try for free.